If your Chevy Traverse dies or refuses to start right after you fill it up, you are likely dealing with a faulty EVAP purge valve. This specific symptom is so common that it accounts for the vast majority of post-gas station no-start cases. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to confirm if this is your culprit. Start by checking for specific EVAP system codes, but always prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery first. The purge solenoid is your primary suspect, but check the gas cap and charcoal canister if the valve tests fine. If the EVAP system checks out, look toward the fuel pump relay or a heat-sensitive crankshaft position sensor. The purge valve is an affordable DIY fix, whereas a shop visit will include diagnostic labor and parts markups. This chart compares the average repair costs for common fuel system components on your Traverse. Perform a vacuum test to confirm if the valve is stuck open before you commit to buying a new one. Keep these essential tools in your garage to handle most minor fuel system repairs on your own. Always remember that a small vacuum leak can cause massive headaches at the pump if ignored. If this helped you get your Chevy back on the road, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides.